Hi folks, my name is Varun and I am a software engineer at PayPal. Today we will be looking at template literals, what they are and their functionality. So you can consider template literals as string formatters from other languages, but they're slightly different. So first of all, let's look at the basic, in very basic what they mean. So let's say if I have a variable a, let a equal to 5 and let b equal to 6, and if I want to, let's say, output a plus b, summation of a plus b equal to, so let's say if I want to output something like this, summation of a plus b, that is 5 plus 6 equals 11, something like this. I have to, before ES6, I had to write something on the lines of something like this, console.log summation of space plus a plus a plus inside a string plus b plus equals to equals plus the actual summation, that is a plus b. Now if I run this code, it should give me the same. Okay, syntax error missing. Oh, okay, yeah. Should give me something like this, summation of 5 plus 6 equal to 11, which is correct. But as you can see, this syntax is pretty ugly and is might be readable right now, but not will be readable in case the string is long. So we use template literals in these cases. How template literals work? We simply use backtick instead of colon. So let me just remove the string, copy the string, and use backtick. Now in wherever we want to insert an expression, we simply use dollar curly braces a dollar curly braces b a plus b, and if we run this, we will achieve the same result. Now the syntax is more readable, uh, and in case it becomes a bit more long, then also it is more readable and maintainable. One more thing that is there for template literals is, let's say we want to introduce a new line, we can simply enter it and we can again write this b is something like this. It will automatically come to new line. We don't have to give the new line character. As you can see, it is automatically coming to new line. Okay, color is changing. 5 plus, I think this is because of uh, this is just because of the JS fiddle. Color shouldn't change. But yeah, we don't give new line operator, so we can simply write our paragraph as we want to rather than putting it in a single line and then doing the backslash n. And in case if we want to give the backslash backtick in the string itself, we simply use the backslash and then backtick. Okay, if I do this, it will give me the backtick. How we can verify this is simple as this. If I do curly braces triple equal, and then backtick, it will give me true. That was for the regular template literals. Yeah, that is what the template literals is. But in JavaScript, there's a tag as well. So these were non-tag template literals. There are tag template literals as well. What do I mean by tag? Uh, so let's say if I have a template literal, I can simply write a function and then in front of that function I can use the template literal. That template literal will be passed in as a first argument and I can modify the template literal using that function. So that function is known as tag. Let's take an example and then understand what does it mean. So let's select my tag. Let me just do first argument. And if I do my tag template literal, and if I run this, okay, syntax error on which line? My tag expected syntax error. Uh, okay, console.log. This should work. Okay, yeah, that is the reason why it didn't work. I didn't write the keyword function. Let's run this. As you can see, first argument will be an array with template literal. I can do something like this. Employee name is dollar emp and department is dollar department. Yep, this looks fine. So let me just run it. Okay, there is an error. Why is there an error? Emp is not defined. Okay, emp is not defined. Yep, so emp is not defined. Okay, let me just define the emp quickly. Emp equal to Aman, let department equal to mechanical, and let me just run it. So as you can see, string has been broken is divided by the expression. So wherever the expression is there, it will divide the string in those many parts. So employee name, department, and then an empty string because there is nothing after that. If I put a full stop, it will add a full stop. Yep. So the benefit of this is I can simply modify the string in the my tag. So that's why my tag comes into play. I can modify the string, maybe return some object or return the same string together. So let me just return the string, return the array. So let uh, my tag output my tag output equals this console.log my tag. Oh, I am not returning first argument actually. Yep, it returns the same result. So that's it for the template literals. I'll be linking down in the description links for you to read. Thanks.